welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this beautiful hair from Asteria hair. If you guys are interested in watching this tutorial and seeing how I slayed my baby hairs and styled this beautiful thick wig, keep on watching. Alright guys, so first thing I'm going to be doing is parting out my hair. So I did already glue down my lace and all that good stuff. I just decided to not include that because, you know, I always include the full tutorial. Today I wanted to really focus on my baby hairs and doing some styling. So I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm going to go chase it with my hot comb. And I'm just basically defining out my part, making sure everything is fully flat before I start to do my baby hairs. I'm going to be going in with a rat tail comb and I'm just going to be pulling out the front of my baby hairs. You know I love my front swoop. It's been like a whole trend of doing the no front swoop and just doing sideburns and all that. But honestly guys, like I really love my front swoop. I feel like I'm empty without it. So I'm going ahead and my baby is passing gas. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off some of the baby hairs. I'm gonna cut it pretty low, pretty long, and I'm gonna curl it with my curling iron. After that, I'm then gonna go in and I'm going to cut it shorter once it's time to do my baby hairs. And the reason why I do this is because this curling iron is very hot, and if you cut it too short, you can't curl as close as you want to, and you will end up burning yourself. When I first started doing this trend, I burnt myself several times and I have the marks to prove it. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed up the process by parting out all the hairs that I'm using for my baby hairs. I'm going to cut them long and I'm going to curl them, and afterwards when it's time to actually lay the baby hairs, I'm going to recut them with my razor. So now I'm just going in with that razor and I'm cutting off all the extra baby hairs like I said, and I'm getting them shorter to my desired length. Y'all are gonna love these baby hairs if you are a baby hair fan. So I am doing my baby hairs with my baby hair goo. You can purchase this gel on my website at www.char.co, and it'll be listed down in my description box, as well as the details for this hair will also be listed below in my description box. But y'all, it's been a long time since I really liked my baby hairs. For some reason I feel like I've lost my baby hairs touch, but I loved these baby hairs. So yeah, I'm just going in, I'm cutting pieces shorter that need to be short, and I'm also going to do like a little cute little swirl, and I'll show you guys when I get to that part. I'm doing my sideburns down. My sideburns, as you guys know, are my favorite part. So when you have it curled with the curling iron, that swoop, that little swirl is already there for you. All you really have to do is press it up against the glue. I'm now taking off a piece there because I really feel like I have a gap right there. And I also feel like that's the reason why sometimes I don't like my baby hairs. But I just went ahead and did a little cute little swirl, which I thought was so cute. And now I'm going in with my Got To Be spray and spraying around my hairline. And I'm going in with that melt band. Make sure you guys check out my website for a melt band. And I'm going to go ahead now and just begin to hot comb throughout my hair just to get it flat. This hair is very thick and very curly. I am going to be doing 2 space buns today, so I'm going to be parting out my hair and hot combing it for the space buns. So now I have parted out the 2 pieces that I'm going to be leaving out. I'm just trying to make sure, like, it's really hard to see above my head, but I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is parted out evenly and nice and neat. So I'm now going ahead and taking off my melt pen, and y'all, the baby hairs is laid, okay? The baby hairs is giving what it was supposed to give. So now I'm just going ahead and reparting my hair again to my desired look with my wax stick, and I'm going to now start slicking my hair up into my buns. So before I fully put my hair in a bun, I'm going to spray down with some Got To Be spray and some of my Sleek Mist oil sheen type of spray. It's a heat protectant and a hair gloss. I'm just going ahead and slicking that together before I put it in a ponytail. I want it to look really clean and really neat, and I'm just using 3 little rubber bands to get my desired ponytail to knot. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the opposite side. So now that I've went ahead and did both sides, I'm now going to go ahead and begin to clean out my part. And I'm just going in with some makeup and going straight down my part. This is just going to give it a more brighter look and a more crispy look. And if your cap was giving like any of like oranges look, this right here will clean it up. And I'm now lightly wrapping the bun around the ponytail, and that is how I got my space buns. I just lightly wrapped it around. I didn't put too much effort in or try to perfect it. But yes, y'all, I think the buns came out super, super cute. Asteria, your hair is beautiful. I love this look. Like, I love feeling young again. I love looking like a kid again, y'all. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the tutorial. I just did some really, really cute space buns. Let me make sure they're not messed up. But yeah, but I kind of wanted to try something out, something different, something cute. I'm going to get up a little closer so you guys can see my baby hairs and how they came out. So this is the final look of the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching What's wrong with you? Make sure you guys check out Asteria hair for some bomb affordable hair. I'm gonna stand up just so I can show you guys the length. I do have on this robe. So this is the length on the hair, and it comes all the way down past my waist. Y'all, this wig is super full. Like, look at all this hair. Look at all the hair. Okay, this wig is big and fluffy, and I'm wearing 32 inches. So make sure you guys check out Austria hair for some bomb affordable hair. Thank you guys so much for watching.